Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Auto Upgrade Club. Today we're diving into everything about the Volkswagen Sharan radio, how to remove it, reset it, unlock the safe code, check the fuse, and upgrade it to a modern CarPlay or Android system. If you drive a Volkswagen Sharan from 2010 to 2016, this guide will help you fix or completely modernize your radio. Depending on your car's year, your Sharan may have an RCD310, RNS315, or RNS510. These were fine years ago, but they lack Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth music. Many owners also face issues like the screen showing safe, the unit not powering on, or the radio code being lost. Luckily, these problems are easy to fix. If your screen says safe, that's Volkswagen's anti-theft protection. You need a 4-digit radio code to unlock it. The code is often printed in the owner's documents or service manual. If you've lost it, your Volkswagen dealer can retrieve it using your VIN number. If the radio won't turn on, check fuse number 42, usually a 15-amp fuse behind the small panel near the driver's side or under the steering wheel. Replace it with a new fuse of the same value to restore power. To remove the factory radio, you'll need a set of radio removal keys. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Slide the 4 keys into the small slots on the radio's face until they click. Then gently pull it out while supporting both sides. Disconnect the quad lock connector, antenna, and any additional plugs for USB, AUX, or CAN-bus. Take a quick photo before unplugging anything. It helps during reinstallation. Now comes the best part: upgrading. For modern features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth streaming, and GPS navigation, you can replace your original unit with something like the SCUMAXCON RCD360 PRO3S or a new mid-to-682 series. These are plug and play, no wire cutting needed. Just connect the quad lock plug and GPS antenna, and steering wheel controls will work normally. If your car already has a reverse camera, you can keep it by using the correct AV or RGB adapter depending on the signal type. Some common issues after upgrading are simple to solve. If it won't power on, recheck the fuse and account line. If there's no sound, cars with Dynaudio systems need a special adapter. If CarPlay keeps disconnecting, use a good USB cable or enable wireless mode. If the screen freezes, perform a factory reset or firmware update. In short, upgrading your Volkswagen Sharan radio not only fixes old issues but completely refreshes the driving experience. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and visit SCUMAXCON.com for more upgrade guides and wiring diagrams. Leave your Sharan's model year in the comments, and we'll help you pick the best system. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.